Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and this is where I show you recipes for healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. So today I'm going to show you how to make SOS-free pickles, or as I like to call them, quickles, because they're so quick and easy to make, and you really only need 2 ingredients. You can Google how to make salt-free, sugar-free pickles, and there's wonderful recipes on the internet, but there's just too many ingredients, and the older I get, the more I want to simplify my cooking and my life. So the only thing you need are cucumbers and vinegar, and I'm going to show you some vinegars that I like to use, but always feel free to use the ones that you like. So I'm using organic Persian cucumbers from Trader Joe's. I like the small cucumbers better. They're not waxed, they have less seeds, they just taste better to me, but you can use any cucumber you want. I love this little tool that you can find from Tupperware or in my Amazon store. It is a mini, I think it's called the Speedy Mando. It's a mandolin, but you can see that you're not going to cut yourself because you never touch the blade. I have seen so many chefs cut the tip of their thumb off using mandolins because they don't use a glove or a guard, but look how easy this is. So I'm in no danger of cutting the blade, or touching the blade, I mean. And then when I get close, I just put this little top on and I continue the process. This is great if you want to watch my video for how to make your own poke bowl. You can do cherry tomatoes here, you can do grapes. It makes things very, very thin. And when it's thin like that, it marinates a lot quicker, and so I just prefer this. But of course you could put the whole cucumber in, but you can see that this is paper thin. And then when you're done, you put them, well actually this is already ones that have been made, and that's what's neat is that you just keep adding to the vinegar. You don't have to throw it out. You just keep adding, really ad infinitum, until there's no vinegar left. And this takes just a few hours or maybe overnight in the refrigerator. You could really do it with any vegetable, but of course hard vegetables like carrots or cauliflower, you might want to blanch first. So of course I'm going to do a lot more of these because I love to put these on my salad every single day. I like them better this way because when I do my chopped salad, and if you watch my video on the Holland Mill bowl, I'll show you how I chop my salad. When I do cucumbers, they're so wet they tend to get the salad wet. So I love to do this with cucumbers. I love to do this with red onion, and if you want to know why this is such a beautiful pink color, it is because I am using the newest flavor from California Balsamic called Ruby Red Onion. And that's all I'm doing is the vinegar and the vegetable, or in this case, cucumbers are actually a fruit. Now in the past, if you watch my marinated onion video, the vinegar I used was the garden dill mustard. But again, if you want to use unsweetened rice vinegar, apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar, go ahead. For me, it's just too sour. What I like about the California Balsamic is it's reduced, it's 4% acidity, so it's not that it's sweet, but it's not sharp and sour and tart like white vinegar or the other vinegars. And you can always add any herbs or spices to it. Dill would work great, but this is kind of how I do it, plain and sane. And again, I cannot tell you how many months I've been using this same vinegar here, because when you take it out to put on something, you know, you do take a little vinegar out, but you can keep reusing it and then just keep adding it. And if you find that maybe it's too sweet for you, you can do maybe 3/4, 1/4, 3/4 of a good quality reduced vinegar like California Balsamic, and then maybe 1/4 of like say a red wine or unsweetened rice vinegar or an apple cider vinegar. But this is my quickles, and I love these, and we put them on our salads every day, and I hope you will try this recipe, and if you try it, you'll enjoy it. And again, you know, any mandolin you use, always make sure you are safe and use the guard. Slicing things thin, I don't know, I just love them that way. So thanks so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I truly believe you can have both the health and the body that you so richly deserve. Take care now.